Experienced developers do not write their solutions from scratch. Instead, they leverage existing products and services to reach a solution implementation quicker. This concept is very important for you to understand. Imagine that there is an implementation that needs to be developed by a software team. Now, let's suppose that this implementation is going to take 6 months if they write it from scratch. But if they leverage existing products and services, they could get it done in 3 months. That means that they could potentially get a product out to production in 3 months instead of 6. 3 months, 6 months, those are just fictitious numbers. But if you're able to save any time at all in any type of deployment or implementation or delivering a product to production, that would be a huge win for any business. Let's use artificial intelligence as an example. Implementing a solution takes a lot of time. And as a developer, you also have to keep in mind how to deploy the infrastructure necessary for this solution to be implemented the right way. Scalers AI released a product called Factory Solutions that can save time. They recently released code that could significantly help developers and companies in the manufacturing industry. As you may already know, minimizing manufacturing defects is huge. And automating defect detection using AI could really help streamline the manufacturing process. The beauty of it, as an engineer, you don't have to do any of this from scratch. You can simply apply a new data set to an already pre-trained model provided by Scalers AI. You can quickly create dashboards using Grafana that will allow you to monitor the video stream in real time, analyze metrics, and take action if action needs to be taken. Manufacturing speed is not the only thing that you need to worry about. Although you want to deliver products quickly, you also have to be concerned about your employees' safety. Using the code, you can set up perimeters and configure notifications or alarms in case someone steps into a hazardous zone. By now you're probably wondering, you have to use cameras, you have to use computers, and you have to have an adequate infrastructure to deploy something like this. Well, deploying a solution like this could easily be done by leverage Azure IoT components, since the code is already containerized using Docker. Scalers AI is partnered with Microsoft and Intel, so you can rest assured that the latest technology was used to develop this product. Again, you have to be smart about it when you are implementing new solutions. Time is the most valuable asset for a business and even a developer. So leverage existing products and services as much as you can when you're implementing a solution. You can find the code on GitHub by following the link in the description below. Step-by-step tutorials can also be found on the link below that will get you up and running in no time. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe if you found this video useful so you can be notified when we publish new videos. Thank you.